Beautiful Lakeview home with class and style. 3-bedroom, 3-bath Tudor home with many gorgeous and classic details and beautiful woodwork. This home makes a statement already from the street with its unique angles, stucco, brick and arch over the driveway. Inside is a big, updated kitchen with solid surface counters and stainless appliances. Large dining area and living room with a gorgeous fireplace.A large sunroom and a half bath completes the main floor. Upstairs is primary suite with double closets and remodeled bath plus 2 more bedrooms and 1 more full bath. 2-car attached garage with room for storage. Large backyard with landscaping and a small pond. Mechanicals are all in great shape. The boiler is 4 years old, water heater is 1 year and roof is 3 years old. For more information or a private showing, contact Mike Sandstrom.